So if you're only missing one tooth, why a dental implant over a regular bridge, traditional bridge?
Well, with a traditional bridge, you have to file down the two teeth on either side. You have to cut them down to hold the bridge in place. When you put those bridges in place, the average lifespan of them is 7 to 12 years.
Okay.
Well, what happens during that 7 to 12 year period of time is the teeth that you file down are now more susceptible to decay, and frequently they need root canals. Why do that? We can just put one tooth back. Why touch any of what God's teeth are there? Why touch them? Leave them alone.
So you just give them a tooth back
Just
with
put
a
a
dental
tooth back where there's a tooth missing. It'll last forever.
And you say it takes like 15 minutes. I mean, if everything works out, like 15 minutes?
Once we have the CAT scan and we know what we're doing, the process is not more than a 15-minute procedure.
So if somebody comes in, they're missing one tooth, they say, I need a bridge.
Right.
And you told me you could say, we could do it right now. In some case, is that right?
Absolutely. Well, patients don't say I need a bridge. Patients say I need a tooth.
Okay, okay.
And when they say they need a tooth, I say, okay, we'll do an implant. And very often we'll do it right then. I don't have patients that come in knowing the dental procedures, usually.
Okay, we should mention you've done over 30,000 of these.
Yes.
Over the years. It's pretty easy for you.
It's
so easy for you that you did your own front two teeth.
Yes, I did.
You have a video on the website about replacing it.
Yes.
Was that painful? I mean,
no, it wasn't painful.
Is it because what, the bone doesn't really have feeling, or?
The bone, there's no nerves in the bone. Okay. It was difficult. I mean, I wouldn't tell everybody to do it, but it was not a painful procedure, not at all. Okay. Implants are not a painful procedure. They're just not.
And how old can you be to do this, to get a single tooth implant?
You could be any age.
It's like 100 years old.
You could be 100 years old. I have patients that I just treated a patient who was 94 years old.